Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing my March plan with me, and I am so excited. I love doing these. If you haven't already checked out my previous plan with me for February, I will have that linked up in a card, and I'll also post it in the description so you guys can check that out. That video is a little bit longer than this one because I made a bunch of different pages and a bunch of different spreads, and in this one and in March spread, I am just keeping it very simple, really straightforward, just having my weeks and space to write my to-do list and my blogging and YouTube stuff. So this month I made it really simple, so that's why it's a little bit shorter, but it's still a lot of fun to do. The theme for this month is really pretty doodled flowers, and like I said in my previous plan with me, I always like to sketch everything out in pencil first, and then I go in with my markers and my marker pens to kind of trace over everything. So as you saw, I worked on my cover page, and now I'm working on my month on 2 pages. So I'm starting off with just the pretty design up top with March written out. I try to make it look as close to the cover page as possible, but it kind of came out a little bit different. That's okay though. I don't mind it. I think it looks cute. So again, I'm just doing my little doodle flowers. I love these. They're so cute and really easy. I kind of just go around and kind of make a little flower design. So that is what I'm gonna do for this this spread here, and then I'm gonna go work on my actual calendar, which I just made it starting on the 1st of the month. So last month I kind of included the month of January, the few last days of January on the spread. So on this one I am starting at 1, so I don't have any days from February. So I like to use this little tool here. For my previous months, I think I used just a regular ruler, but my husband, had this in his little area in his office, so he told me that I could have it for my bullet journaling, and it's way easier to carry. I could just stick it in with my pens, and it's really easy. It's a nice straight edge, and it has different shapes. So I haven't used any of the shapes yet, but I like it for my lines. So that's what I'm doing here, just sketching out my lines, and then I'm gonna go in and erase all of the little marks for my calendar. Then I'm just gonna work on the days of the week and then filling in all the numbers. So once I have my month on 2 pages done, then I'm going to start working on my weeks, which this is what I made really different from my previous month. So I decided that I wasn't going to do too many extra things, and I was just going to keep it super simple for the spread. So I did my long rectangular boxes, and then I cut those in half. I kind of left more space on the top, and then I did the same thing on the second page. So basically I have 2 weeks worth of planning and rectangles for these 2 pages. So the first page is for the first week of February, and then March, sorry, and then the second page is the second week of March. So I wanted to keep this super straightforward, and I found that I wasn't really using my habit tracker or any of the other little sections that I was kind of leaving blank, so I wasn't really using them. So I decided to just take advantage of all the space that I got in these pages and just put them all on one. So I just use them all the page. So I put Monday through Sunday on the first page, and then Monday through Sunday on the other page, and then I also put the days of the week, and I also doodled some really cute flowers on the edges. I really didn't have too much space since I made these rectangles super big. So with my Tombow dual pen, brush pen, whatever the heck they're called, in the really light color, I go in and just write blogging and YouTube on the bottom rectangles or little squares, because that's where I'm going to put my blogging and YouTube stuff. So this is the next page, which is week 3 and 4. So I'm just doing the same thing, just going in, making my rectangles, splitting those in half, and then I'm gonna write the days of the week and the number, and then doodle my cute little flowers. So I'm just gonna do this, and then I'll be back at the end to tell you what I did. So I have no idea what happened to my camera. It totally just stopped recording when I did this final page. So I decided to include my cleaning schedule again. I just rewrote basically the way I had it in the beginning of the month, or in the beginning of the year. But it was kind of annoying having to flip like so many pages to find it, so I just decided to pop a new one right into the back of March. So I like always just sketch it out on pencil, and then I go in and write everything out in my my marker pens, and then once I get done with filling out all of that, I go in and make cute little doodle flowers again, just to tie it all together. And basically that is it. I think I also include just like a couple things that I know that are happening in the month of March, so I write those into my calendar. And then I did end up thickening up the word March in the cover page because it was just a little too thin and I wanted it to match both sides. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I am posting at least once a week. Lately I've been posting twice a week, so keep an eye out for that. And I usually post Friday afternoons. So that is it, I guess. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!